Welcome, I am Daniel Terhune from Real Estate Advantage. Always remember, have a plan, go with Dan. Brand new, inside and out. This 4-bedroom home nestled on a neighborhood street in Jamestown has been recently remodeled and has many upgrades throughout. Downstairs is an enclosed sun porch, formal dining room, a living room, bathroom/laundry room, and a bedroom with an electric fireplace. The kitchen is one any cook would be proud to create and has a pantry, excellent lighting, a pasta arm, and many electrical outlets for all your kitchen gadgets. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms, another full bathroom, and a large room that could serve as an office, a playroom, or storage. The full basement has both stair access and exterior walk-up and would offer lots of extra storage. There is also a deck off the back of the house with stair access to the yard. That would be a perfect place.